watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty peeps. It is Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and guess what I have? Feel like it's been a while, but we have a new Cricut mystery box. This one is going to be Blue Graphite mystery box. And I know the question everybody always wants to know is, does it have a cutie? I know most of them do these days, but yes, we do have a cutie. So I'm going to show you the cutie. For a while now, when we get cuties, this is what the box looks like. Some of you that have been around a while may remember when the boxes looked like this. This is how the Cricut cuties used to come. Woo, woo, woo. This is how the Cricut cuties used to come in a box like this. Actually showed you what color was inside. So we already know inside this is going to be the Blue Cutie. This came out a while ago. I believe it was November 2017. It has not been released in a long time. So this is Cricut's Blue Cutie. It's a perfect light blue, just think baby blue. So we are getting that, which is nice because there's a lot of people that have been collecting since then that haven't got the chance to get him. So it's your opportunity to grab him. For all of our collectors that are holding on, you are going to get one in the old box. So, and the fact that they have these in there make me think there's not a big quantity of this box. I wouldn't be surprised if this box sells out really quick because I don't think there's a lot. And that's an old school cutie. So let's go ahead. If you want to go purchase the box, use our links in the description below and then come on back and you can see what else is in the box. And then second, we'll start with something sparkly because we know I love sparkly. So we're going to get silver glitter iron-on. We're getting 12 inches by 5 feet long of this. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're getting some permanent glossy premium vinyl in silver also. Now this one is going to be 12 inches by 48 inches. And that is the glossy. So it's like metallic silver looking. Beautiful. And we're getting some Sports Flex iron-on in black. You're going to get 12 by 24 inches of this. Now people wonder what the Sports Flex is. Sports Flex has that like flex to it. So it's perfect for those athletic materials like polyester and nylon and spandex. So anything with that stretch to it, it's going to go ahead and flex with the material. And next up, I love these. I can't remember the last time we had these in a box, but I love these. These are Cricut's aluminum sheets. But let me show them to you. These are 4 by 4 inches and you're going to get 4 of them. And they're infusible ink compatible too. So these are the aluminum sheets. So as you can see, they are a thin aluminum sheet. You can go ahead and engrave these with the engraving tip. Now to engrave, you do want to have a machine that can engrave, but that's one possibility for that. Another possibility for these is, and I'm going to show you an example here that I did, you can press infusible ink onto this. You can also press infusible ink and have it engrave, or you can press infusible ink and then put vinyl on it too. So on the shiny silver side, the back is gold. There is a thin, what do we call that? The protective sheet. What do you call that? There's a thin liner. There's a thin liner on here that you pull off, put the infusible ink on it and press it. And let me show you one I did actually. But here is an example. This is the 5 by 7 Cricut aluminum sheet. And I pressed on it, oops. And I pressed on it with, I believe it was called watercolor splash, the infusible ink. And then I cut vinyl to put on top of it. But you can see how pretty, like how pretty does that look on the metal? It looks so pretty. So very cool for that. And you get 4 of those sheets in there. And super excited, we're getting this too. Printable vinyl. And you're going to get 12 of the 8.5 by 11 sheets. So for all those vinyl projects where you don't want to maybe like layer the different colors or there's too many, you can print it, printable vinyl. Another thing you can do with this, think this vinyl can be any color. So if you're doing a project, and I know I've done this before where I'm doing a project and I swear I had the color I needed, but then when I go to get the color I needed, I'm like, I guess I didn't have the color I needed. You could print the color you needed. And then you have every color possible under the rainbow at your hands too. So I love the printable vinyl. And we are getting Cricut's washable fabric pen. And with this pen, you're going to be able to temporarily mark your fabric patterns for like sewing patterns and such. So you can put this in the machine. It will draw the patterns and your stitch marks, and then you can have it cut it out too. So So, and that is everything that is in Cricut's Blue Graphite Mystery Box. Now, because we got our cutie, I feel like he's a retro cutie. He's like an OG cutie. Because we got our cutie here, it is available to Access members only. But if you're not Access, there are links below to join Access too, and there's so many more benefits than just being able to buy the cuties and save it on all your purchases on Cricut. So, oh, price. I always like to forget the price. It's $49.99 US, $69.99 to our Canadian friends. But as you know, Cricut Access members save on every purchase at Cricut, so you're going to save on this purchase too. So as I mentioned, because we got this like old school cutie, I don't think there's going to be many boxes of these guys. I just have a feeling. We never know. We don't know how many there are. Some that we can tell there's fewer and they sell out in like 10 minutes. Some sell out in hours. Some sell out in a day. But my guess is there's not too many of these OGs running around. Sounds so weird to call a cutie an OG, but you know what I mean. Oh, and we do, today is, right? Yes, Tuesday. Yes. I'm trying to think when this goes live. Today is the last day. We do have a little giveaway going on for Easter. So I don't know if you guys seen, but Cricut has their value card stock now available in several more packs. They have a beautiful sunset pack, ocean pack, botanicals, and a neutrals pack. So we wanted to give those away. So we're doing a giveaway where one person is going to win all 4 of the new packs of the value card stock, which is great because that's like 320 sheets of cardstock. It's a lot of cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the description below the link to that giveaway. So make sure and enter because today is the last day and you can enter up to 5 times per day. So thank you guys so much for joining us. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. And we greatly, greatly appreciate when you use those links. So hope you guys all have a craftastic rest of your week. Hope your guys' week is filled with happy crafting and we will see you guys next time. Toodles, guys. Bye.